What's going on, everyone? We're going to dive a little bit deeper into the Illinois trip we had last week. We did some fishing, and we also did a lot of boat building. We're going to go ahead and show you a little bit of what we did down there together when we as a Tin Can crew got together to collaborate to finish one of these boats. And it was pretty interesting. This is like a very unique build. No cockpit, all deck. Made for an electric-only private lake. This is what the lengths some people will go to have a boat like this because they know the advantages. Really, Illinois, there were so many Jon Boats. There was like Jon Boat only dealers. It was like a mecca there. It was pretty unique. I can show you a lot of what transpired there. Before we get too deep into this, I am running a get a free decal special when you join Patreon's tier from $6 up. Check that out. Check our YouTube memberships here if you want extra videos, you want access to all the exclusive content never released to the YouTube public. And it shows on my audience demographics for my analytics that only 20% of you who watch my channel are subscribed. That's like 80+% not subscribed. It's insane. But if you're registered to YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button just real quick. Check it out. See if it's for you. But definitely leave a like and check this video out. This is a 1448 Jon Boat, true flat bottom. It was little to be desired nearing the end of its life, and Nate came and restored it. And I mean really restored it. Not just add some bells and whistles, but completely redid the transom, raised it from a 15-inch transom to a 20-inch transom. Redid the entire side rails, brought back this boat to life, beefed it up substantially through a series of welding and rivets, then framed it out with his own kits. Nate makes his own standalone lids that can just be dropped into any boat. And after a paint job and some powder coating and a few other things, this boat is pretty far on its way. Now it's time for the crew to get together to help finish this boat off so we can get to do what we do best and go out and fish. Very good muffin. Bomb. Oh, hell yeah, dude. This thing is sweet. So you raised the transom on this thing
5 inches.
5 inches because it was
15 inches before.
Transom.
Now it's 20.
Was it 48-inch bottom?
51.
51?
The color combo, the turf, I actually like. At first, the pictures looking at, but in person, I'm like.
He's got these cut-in lights. There's one here, there's one in the back, and there's 2 in the nose.
Those are, dude. I need a link for those.
This is new gunnels.
I could tell.
New front end.
Right, you could tell definitely.
There's
that force. Dude, I get to see all kinds of cool shit. I haven't even seen a force yet. Garmin force.
You on a bass boat out there to have us see it?
Yeah.
Dude,
it has a shock on each way, so it actually holds it. I'm not touching it. It goes down super slow.
The attention to detail on
and then the same thing comes this way. And then they come with this overflow and ran it down below.
That's smart. You cut the overflow and stuff the wires. That's smart.
Well, I just nutted the whole overflow on there and just run the wires straight down. That's a little day box.
Dude, I like the painted day box.
Yeah, it's powder coated. All powder coated now.
Okay, I don't know about all that, but
not my choice. This one's 2 blow right controls, and open that one, Nick. That's got 2 fuse blocks.
There it is. You need 3.
Do you see?
No, you just need 2, right?
There's a 6 and a 12 in there. And then 2 shutoffs.
We'll figure it out.
But then these actually will lift out.
Dude.
And it's built around the overflow. All the wiring's in behind it. So he can remove these if he ever has to get to the plumbing or the wiring.
That is fantastic.
But you have to turf it first and cut it afterwards, which sucks. You know, me and Ryan cut this.
I was wondering about that line.
Yeah, that's what it's for. So
dude, no, I have one of your day boxes pop in and out. That's perfect for it.
Right.
Just to pop in and out.
I mean, electric only. The only thing I realized last week, he's got a huge 3-bank Minn Kota.
You might be able to get it. You might be able to get it.
Yeah, he'll have 2 in the back, and then I got to cut in 1 more. He wants to let go of that, Nick. So don't let that. Those all come from the wet live wheel.
There it is with the crease. So you were able to stick the new one in here.
Yep. That one's got the same.
Yeah, that'll drain out. I mean, really, if you're in Cali or somewhere who's real serious about the quagga mussels, and they require no water to be in your live well at all.
It's reasonable. It's all the way to the nose.
Why did he want this in here and then that one all blue?
He bought the blue to go. He wanted it under some of the lids.
Dude, good job on that. Install the black box. It only runs 2 things. And then the power, then you have to have an external ground wire for the shielding wire. We're running on marine grade wire and it's already tin copper, so it's already shielded a little bit. So we should have a pretty good run here. The skinny one's nice right here.
Cars, are we starting on boats? On boats.
Go ahead and attach it to
It's
this.
not coming from me. Only 500 acres with like 6 legs.
Nice.
That's it. Really freaking sick. This mount is super nice. This is a non-drifting mount. Like it's got a pull pin. It's like it'll snag and it'll stay that way. And when you're ready to release the transducer, you can pull it and it stays that way. That's pretty freaking sweet. And you can extend it out. Pin in. This thing is way nicer than the Sea Light pole. This thing is like substantially nicer than the Sea Light pole. It's even got a catch cord. So, fishfindermounts.com, and we're gonna try and carry this on our site also. What a nice pole though. Like, that's nice. What are you doing, Nate? What are you doing down there? So we got this unit. We're mounted it to a ram mount. That's how we're gonna make this work. It's gonna clear. It's gonna clear, huh? Woo! Yeah, it does it. All right, it clears. No, it's clear. Oh yeah, you can just move it.
Sitting here staring at you.
Let me.
Why don't you have safety glasses on? Why don't you have ear protection in?
Brian was like straight on it. Nate's gonna cut his fingers off. I'm gonna put this film right in his face.
See how he uses the bigger one? He's using a Milwaukee to get the actual job done.
Whatever.
Before that, he used a small.
Yeah, there's your Milwaukee, jammed up.
Yeah, that's not the best model. Not the flat bend you gave me?
There it is. Oh, he put the vacuum on the boat, slipped the wire in it, and then nut it. It was still grab.
There's that power cable. You need power cables for the wire and the black box. This is for the black box. This is the gas wire. 8 amp fuses. But this comes with 4 wires initially. These other 2 wires are for like the NEMA. If you're gonna run to an existing unit, you don't need these. If I were you, I'd just fold these back and electric tape over them. You really only need these. Comes with an 8 amp inline fuse. So just, you know, to keep extra these in if you're gonna run the inline fuse. Or if you're gonna be like us and you cut these off to run them to fuse block, you don't need them. You just cut this off.
Old shop employees. Free card.
Here.
Yeah. The ones in a freaking storage showroom.
Not our network. All right, we'll figure this funny business out. I think this is it. That's what it is. Okay, all right, we're good. That's what it is. Okay, I remember now. Put this thing in here through the grommet if we have any room. Dude, we just barely have enough room for all these wires. Just fucking barely. Like, what's that thing? Right there. All right, and this one goes here. This goes in here. This goes right here. I think, Kevin, they did that because it gives us the ability to put it through this grommet that we just made. It would not be big enough to hold this, not even close. So that goes. So trolling motor, power, and the network for the Panoptix. That power wire. We have now a working unit. Look, I even working this boat.
If I can see it.
Nah, we found a corner. All right, perfect. Yeah, just lay down.
Yeah.
I have a Home Depot. Too hard to get the damn slot. That's it. It's up. Didn't come out the bottom, did it?
We'll see. Do you want the truth?
It didn't come out the bottom.
Well.
Oh no.
Huh?
Hey, you got some epoxy?
Yeah, right. Two down there fucking smiling.
Both the Panoptix unit and all the Garmin units they have a shield wire, an extra ground wire here, and we are going to go ahead and splice some safety wire and make that a ground unit. Ooh.
Only guys like Ryan listen to see.
Got it.
Can't forget the cut. I got to cut.
so now that we got that done, pretty cool, we're going to start reviewing some very cool boats. We have Nate's boat, one of the best tiny boats I've ever been on, for a lot of reasons. We get to review his boat in depth, along with another boat that he did. So we're going to review a 1660 and a 1648, both built by him and his lid systems and pretty much his designs. And we're going to show you how they do out there. And some very, very cool stuff coming. Wait for it. Stay tuned.